Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get Facebook Messenger QR code. So you have to just simply go to the Messenger app on your front. So you have to open it and you have to click to the left of top three horizontal lines and click to round circle of the settings. So when you click to the settings, so you on the top right corner you have the seen the symbol of QR code. You have to just click to of the top right corner and it will be generate the QR code. So you have to share it for anyone to get directly message you from the scanner. So this is are the QR code. So this is how to simply just find your messenger QR code. It's very easy and simple. You have to follow the steps. Fuse. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.